Hi, this is Kayla Murphy from the Fabric Garden in Madison, Maine and fabricgarden.com. We've received a nice shipment of machines in, and I'd like to share with you about the Janome S6 machine. We have wonderful, more space than a 7-inch. We're up to a 9-inch opening, which is really good to put your quilts and things through. We do have a 9mm opening on the throat plate, which would allow you to do wide decorative stitches and lettering, which is great for your quilt labels. Some of the usual suspects that we love to show: speed control, needle up, needle down, locking, reverse, stop, start. I'm going to be sewing without a foot pedal. It does come with one. And the ever popular thread cutter or the scissors. We also have a great knee lift. So if you are sewing and you want to keep your hands on your project, you can have the knee lift feature like that. So we have a regular 9mm opening on our machine right now. It's going to give you the wide stitches like that. You can do your decorative stitches, and comes with this. This is actually an AcuFlex foot. This engages in the machine in the back, and what that does is that allows top and bottom feeding of the fabric to keep everything even and consistent. It's not a hopper like a walking foot. It's a little more precise AcuFlex. So this comes with it for your quilting. Everybody does 1/4-inch seaming. One really nice feature of this machine is you have an extra throat plate with single needle holes, so a narrower hole for your 1/4-inch foot. They pop on and off. No more screws. So this one right now, I'm just popping that on. We're back. The machine knows I have that on, so I can't mess up. Great 1/4-inch seam foot. You know, you probably are using something like that, but it's much wider, so it grabs all your teeth, and I can easily do my 1/4-inch seaming. Bear with me, I might have to get my glasses for this one. So we're on the straight stitch needle plate, and up here it's 07, so I'm just going to go to 07. It shows 1/4-inch. It moved that needle for me, and right now I can move for my speed, and I have a great feeding, good features of a 1/4-inch seam with the accuracy of a single needle plate. That plate also is great for your stippling, so you have a single needle hole for your stippling. So this is the S6, great features. We have a very, very attractive price on this right now. We received these in. This is an in-store model, so come on in and I'll be glad to show you all about that. Thanks.